Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we'll be making wet fried chicken. And I have my chicken here. I also have the coriander. I have the red and green capsicum. There's onions, there's ginger, there's garlic. I have my tomato paste. I have my blended tomato and salt and turmeric. But first what I'll do, I'll marinate my chicken with a little bit of oil. I'll add a little bit of oil here, and then I'll add the turmeric. I just need a nice color here, that's the reason why I'm adding the turmeric. And then salt, a little bit of salt, and then I'll mix the mixture. Okay, done with the mixing. Now what I'll do, I've already preheated my pan. I have a little bit of oil. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just put the chicken on the pan to pre-cook it, and then after that we'll go to the next step. Just this one by one. I want to first pre-cook it. I will let it cook for a while. Okay, that side is cooked. Now I'm turning it to the other side. Okay, leave the other side also to cook. Okay, now I'll remove it. It's already cooked. And then I'll add the other chicken to my pan. Okay, our chicken is now ready. I've pre-cooked it. Now from here, I want to start by frying the onions. Okay, we are making fried chicken. Now I'll start by putting the onions here. I've pre-cooked my sufuria and put a little bit of oil. I'll cook my onions until it starts to golden brown. Okay, the onions are ready. I'll just add my ginger and the garlic in it. And then I'll mix. And then I'll add our tomato paste. And then I'll also add the blended tomato. Okay, I'll also add the green and the red capsicum. And then from here I'll add the chicken. And since the chicken we had only pre-cooked it, it's not well done, I'll just put a slow heat for it to be able to cook. Now we will slow cook the chicken until it's ready. Guys, now our chicken is now ready. Now from here, I remembered I had not put my salt. Now just put a little bit of salt, since when I was marinating it I had put some salt. And then I'll add the coriander. Then from here we'll just turn off our gas, and the chicken is now ready. As you can see, our wet fry chicken is ready. You can be able to view the coriander, you can be able to view the capsicum. Till next time, bye.